Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
It is on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making green beans and potatoes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 pounds of green beans. You want to rinse them and trim the ends. 1.5 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 medium russet potatoes cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 medium onion diced, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I have 8 slices of turkey bacon, and I just cut that into pieces. You can use the bacon of your choice. In a large pot over medium heat, I'm going to add in my olive oil. You want to let that come to temperature. Once it comes to temperature, we're going to add in our bacon. You just want to cook your bacon until it's nice and crispy and golden. Once your bacon is nice and golden and crispy, we're just going to go ahead and remove it and set it in a bowl to the side. Now we're going to add in our onions to the same pot. And you want to saute them for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. And we're going to saute that for 1 minute. Now we're going to add in our green beans. Once you add in your green beans, you can add in your water. You're going to add in your chicken broth. Okay, you can go ahead and give that a good mix. And now we're going to add in our onion powder, garlic powder, our Creole seasoning, and our black pepper. And we're going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined, and you want to bring it to a light boil. Once it comes to a light boil, you're going to lower your heat, and we're going to let it continue to cook for 30 minutes. You can place your lid over top. Okay guys, after a ½ hour, we're going to remove our lid. Now we're going to add in our bacon, our 2 tablespoons of butter, and also our potatoes. You want to mix until well combined. Now you want to bring it back up to a light boil. After it comes up to a light boil, you want to lower your heat to low. You want to to put your lid back on top, and we're going to let it cook for 1 hour. Okay guys, it's been 1 hour. I'm going to remove the lid. You can go ahead and give it a mix. And guys, you can go ahead and taste it. If you need to add any more seasoning or you want to add salt, you can go ahead and do it. Okay guys, so here we have it, our green beans and potatoes. This is great for the holidays. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?